love of God. Okay, we proceed. Walk with one another. God calls us to walk with one another. Okay? Because number one, the first reason is, ang unang rason, because it is not good to be alone. Isa misuti ana, it is not good for man to be alone. Isa misuti ana. God the Father, di ba? Di ba? Katong iyan ang gimog ng si Adan. Nakarealize ang Ginoo nga, it is not good for man to be alone. Kinahanglan mo hatang nato siya kauban. Everybody, let's say it together. It is not good for man to be alone. No man is an island, matupa. There's a beautiful song. No man is an island. No man is alone. Is joy to me. Each man's grief is my own. We need one another. It's a beautiful song. No man is an island. Nobody is self-sufficient. No, we still need each other. Amen? Matod pa sa usa ka author, si Leo Buscaglia. Each of us is an angel with only one wing. We can only fly embracing each other. Wow! Kita ka no? At usa ka nato, anghel na usa lang ang bako. So we can only fly embracing each other. Matod pa sa usa ka another quotation. Actually, si Pope Francis, he quoted this, and according to him, it's an African proverb. No? If you want to walk fast, walk alone. Kung ganahan ka kulo mo, nakaw o paspas, hala, makinusara ka diha, walk alone. But, if you want to walk far, you have to walk together. Amen? Kung ganahan ka manas na yung inyong maabtan, you have to walk together. Ayaw pagkinusara. Amen? So, if you are busy, tanawa ang church dali, C-H-U-R-C-H. If you are missing, anong you, kung are, kung wala siya, what will happen to the church? Nasa na siya? Wala na. Wala. Empty. But you are here. That's why the church is here. Amen? Baka na ito magkabasa. Ang number 2, sa atong walking with one another, because God calls us to walk together. Mga ang tawag ka nato sa Ginoo, ang tawag that we walk together, that we walk with one another. Kaya ang tawag ka nato kung dili ang Ginoo. Klaro? The call of God is double. Makadawag naman taan. Manong doble? First, to worship Him, and second, to link yourself to humanity. Ang tawag sa Ginoo, first and foremost, is to know Him. You remember sa catechism lang ito, no? Why did God create man? Manong gibog na, anong gibuhat sa Diyos ang tao sa rason? To know Him, to love Him, to serve Him, and to be with Him forever. What is the greatest commandment? Ang tubag ni Jesus? First, love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, and with all your strength. Una ang Ginoo. And the second is this, love your neighbor as yourself. And Matthew pa ni Jesus, there is no commandment greater than this. First is our relationship with God, and second, with our neighbor. Klaro? Okay. Matod pa sa Salmo 133 verse 1, behold how good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell in unity. Because if we are united in love, we are blessed by God. Number 3. Why do we walk with one another? Because more than 10,000 saints tell us so. Sila ang mga modelo nato. Of course, ang ibang kanila, mga sinners. Pero kung nausap sila, they perfected the art of walking with their brothers and sisters. Tanaw na po ang pipila sa mga santos o sa ilang gisulti. Like si St. Augustine, si San Agustin, magwala nagpista August 28. Kung sulti ni St. Augustine, what does love look like? Kung sa kumoy, dagway sa gugma. Huh? It has the hands to help others. Okay. To walk with one another with love is to have a hand to help others. Adunay kamot na andam matabang sa uban. It has the feet to hasten to the poor and needy. Okay? Matod pa sa Agustin ang gugma, ang dagway sa gugma, adunay tiil na magdalik sa paghatag ug tabang ngadto sa uban. Unsa pa? It has eyes to see the mystery and want. Ang dagway sa gugma, adunay mata na makakita sa mystery. Sa mystery sa Bisaya. Sa suffering, sa mga pag-antos sa uban, o sa mga panginahanglan sa uban. Pagkalindot sa gisulti sa Agustin, no? Unsa pa? Unsa pa dagway sa gugma? It has the ears to hear the sighs and sorrows of men. Ang dagway sa gugma, ang unay dadunggan nga andam maminaw sa yahok sa panginahanglan sa uban. I remember last year, August last year, tuloy sa Ginoo, nahatagan ko chance na makaapit sa World Youth Day in Fatima. I was so blessed kay it has been my prayer, my wish to reach the shrine of Mama Mary. So since dito ko sa Fatima, sa mga taga sa kanang dinadaan with kit na ay open, na ay directory, kay panangit masaan may asa limado, na ay basic na Portuguese manuscript, very basic na Portuguese, like for example, thank you means obrigado. Basic lang siya, nasa kit. Pag agrin ako sa akong kit, ang last namin na ginawa sa akong kit, image, a very cute image of Our Lady of Fatima. Inana siya ang size. Na pure white siya, pure white. Yeah. Pero I was saddened, nag-uul ko kay ang, di ba si Mama Mary sa Fatima, nag-ana yung kamot? Nag-ana. Niya, tingali, sa pagkadaghang sakit na ilang kuan. Pagkita na ko sa si Mama Mary, ang iyang kamot na napukul. So I look inside the kit, na what good? Ay, ako pwede naman kung i-epoxy ba? Wala good siya, wala. So I was tempted to leave it na lang kay di man siya kompleto, wala man yung kamot. So, I was tempted to leave it na lang dito sa ang gipuyan na balay. Pero di na lang gihapon ako. Tapos nita ko sa mga stores ito available kung na yung anak ko. Wala yun makita na yung anak mismo. Kaya dito pagwa pa kayo si Mama Mary. It was only when I arrived here in Cebu, October last year, nakareflect ko, nalimutan ako sa altar. Although wala kayong malipay, hindi lagi siya kompleto, wala siya tamot. It was only last year, October 13, pagpista ni Mama Mary, Lady of Fatima. Marabag, as if Mama Mary was telling me, wala kayo tamot. Pero ikaw ang akong tamot. Kaya, di ba ang kamot Mama Mary, nag-pray man, praying hands. As if Mama Mary was telling me, you are my praying hands. You are to pray for my children, for your brothers and sisters. Amen. Another saint, Mother Teresa. Bago lang po tayo nagpista, September 5. According to Saint Mother Teresa of Calcutta, if you can't feed 100 people, then feed just one. Diba? If hindi na ka na makapakaroon sa daghang sa kagatos, isa po sa lang imong pagkaroon. Malipay na ang Ginoo. Usa ka gibutong imong ipakaroon, malipay na kayo ang Ginoo. Kaya matupa ni Jesus, diba? Whatever you do to the least of my brothers and sisters, isa sa imong ibuhat sa labing ubos sa ako mga igsuon, sa imong mga igsuon, imong ibuhat dinhi anak ko. Another saying, of course, hindi na ko kalimtan ang aming patron, si Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus. Matupa niya, without love, deeds, even the most brilliant, count as nothing. Kung walay gugma, isang sa kadakong imong nabuhat, wag na'y pulos. Sa ato pa, the love that is in our heart, the love of God that is in our hearts, mali siya ang nag-impel, mali siya ang nag-inspire na nato to do good to others. Pero ay kung walay gugma, way pulos pa na ng atong ibuhat. Amen? Next, that we may help one another carry our weaknesses. Nga mo, maglakaw ng kauban sa atong kaisuunan. Aron matabangan nato ang usag-usa to carry our weaknesses. Ay ang matang usagunan ang tay kahuyangan. Amen? I cannot forget a beautiful picture na poster sa amin dito sa Tayabas. Usa ka iro o usa ka iring na nagkita, ang sweet ka ay sila. Diba normally ang iro o iring nag-away na sila, no? Pero ang iro o iring, nagdug sila ba? Iba lang dito, it's because we're so different from each other that we have so much to share. Tungod kayo nagkalain-lain na inyong rasa, di na ayaw mo kanta, ang panyabang, at lang tawagin. Amen? Next, number 5, to dream with others. We share the same dream. And if we share the same dream, usa ang atong pangandoy, then we help each other grow in holiness. Amen? And of course, our dream is to reach, our goal is to yung goal nato, to reach God. Amen? Our goal is to grow in holiness. Amen? Marami ka, of course, dahil nagtataglain mga goals in life, but our ultimate goal is to be with God. That is our ultimate goal. That is our ultimate dream. Okay. Next, to practice for heaven. Mga we walk with one another in order to practice for heaven. So, my dear brothers and sisters, mag-practice kita. Diba? Matuta, practice makes perfect. So, karon pala mag-practice kita to have that universal heart, a heart that loves to walk with one another. So that together also, as we dream together, as we walk with one another, then we go to heaven together. Amen? Are you convinced? Yes. It is heaven. Diba? Heaven is not, ato na lang iniguman, ikamatay na nato. No, heaven is right here. When we enjoy each other's company, when we love each other, when we help each other, we carry each other's burdens, this is heaven. And every time we celebrate the Eucharist, sa mga higayon na nag-celebrate kita sa misa, it is a foretaste of heaven, being with God. Amen? We walk with one another because it is heaven. To be with my brother and sister in the love of God community. Amen? It is heaven. Daghang salamat. O kaya ako po. Ayaw na ba eh, kami magpapalala.